Hey, welcome to Best Bits Tip of the Day. Today we're going to be talking about tag orientation, how to change the tag to the direction of the fixture. So I've created a couple of tags. Let me edit these where they'll be larger. Again, to change the size, just change the font size. Start with the count button. So we're going to be counting the A fixtures, and we'll just simply click on the A fixtures, and you see these fixtures are turned a different direction. If you're anal, like a lot of estimators, and want the tag turned exactly right, all you do is right-click the tag. That changes direction. And we'll select the B. So that's all there is to it. Anytime that you see something that you'd like to know about that's not in one of these videos, please just email us and we'll be glad to create a video for you. I hope this gives you a little help along the way. Thank you very much. Have a great day.